Limo Texas Homes Tours continues. Today we are in Haslet, Texas. Surprisingly, this is the same neighborhood that one of my clients just closed on. So Haslet is growing, and welcome to this 2,700 square foot home, 5 bedroom, 4 bath. So let's look at them. Right, that's the entrance right here. Right, your immediate, you got the first bedroom here, or a study, the closet. It's a full bathroom, bedroom. You got a bathroom right here. All right, beautiful kitchen. Let's see appliances. Spot for your fridge there. You got another spot right there. So your laundry area. So dry and wash it there. And now this is your living area. Huge space. You do have high ceiling. Alright, so that's the view. From here to the back, front door. Alright, we're gonna look at the master bedroom is down here. Nice big windows, higher ceiling, got your fan, your double sink, got the shower right there. To have your walk-in closet. It's a big one. Alright. The rest of the bedrooms upstairs. So let's look at those. Okay, got your stairs here. Alright, got another bedroom here, big size. With a walk-in closet. Alright. And got some bathroom here. Alright. The bedrooms on this side. So we got another living area here. It's a good size. Another bedroom here. And we got another bedroom. We got the bathroom here, shared bathroom, 2 sinks. Another 5th bedroom here. Alright, so we're in Haslet, Texas. This is a 2,700 square foot home, 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. And let's look at the backyard. Yard here. It's big enough to have a party here. Alright, so this is Sam Limo. Limo Texas Homes Tours continues. We're in Haslet, Texas today. So if you're looking for a home, I have a 5-step process that I help to understand your plan, your vision, and take you step by step to find your new home. So please reach out to me and let's get you started building generational wealth through home ownership. Thank you. Catch me in the next video.